Y'all know this guy, then y'all know who this is, man. It's my little cousin, man, Markio the GOAT. You dig? Y'all make sure y'all go check out his channel. He also has a YouTube channel. And make sure y'all go check out Danny Might Get It Right channel. He got one too. So make sure y'all go check him out. Links will be in the description for those. Y'all see he done up. I'm finna get done up. We finna get ready and go out of town. Y'all don't know quite where yet, but y'all know I got my passport if y'all was tuned in to the last video. So you know it gotta be somewhere exclusive. Fine, doing look handsome. You got a new boyfriend. Ooh. His girlfriend approved, y'all. So hey, look, I'm trying to tell y'all, look. I'm telling y'all, look. When y'all come to Danny Might Get It Right, this is how you're gonna feel every time. You know what I'm saying? Like $1 million dollars. Look at me, man, look at me. Kenya. Another one, like DJ Khaled said. Another, yeah, I'm ready to show the fuck out. Word birds, it's y'all boy Flu Dog with the vlogs, man. We back at it with another epic banger, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you like the video, comment down below, and subscribe so you know what goes on with the family. Cause this what we do. You feel me? If y'all see where I'm at, then y'all know where I'm at, man. And y'all know this guy, then you know this guy. You dig? This my boy Danny Might Get You Right. You feel me, my boy? You feel me, my homeboy, my brother, my cousin, my dog, you feel me? And my barber, you know what I'm saying? And my barber. He just so happens to be my barber as well. You feel me? So he over here, he finna get ready and get me right, man. If y'all been tuned in, then y'all know I kind of got something going on. You feel me? I had just left from the passport because we got something exclusive going on. And we got a little cuz in the building, man. He just came over here, just came to get his Get It Right special, man, because we got something in the works, man. Y'all know this guy, then y'all know who this is, man. It's my little cousin, man, Markio the GOAT. You dig? Y'all make sure y'all go check out his channel. He also has a YouTube channel. And make sure y'all go check out Danny Might Get It Right channel. He got one too. So make sure y'all go check him out. Links will be in the description for those. So we over here. Y'all see he done up. I'm finna get done up. We finna get ready and go out of town. Y'all don't know quite where yet, but y'all know I got my passport if y'all was tuned in to the last video. So you know it gotta be somewhere exclusive. Kenya, what it do? You feel me, Kenya over here? You feel me on standby, ready to get it right? You feel me? She finna get ready to do what it do. We also got Crack in the building, waiting on her husband. You dig? So
I'm getting a tutorial from Kenya on how to retwist dreadlocks.
You finna tune in. Yeah. Well, excuse me. Shit. Well, yeah, that's what's going on, man. We finna get ready and do what we do over here, man. Like I said, if y'all tuned in, make sure y'all like the video. I'm finna get it right. They finna get me right. So we go out of town, look good, man. Y'all, well, I know y'all been wondering, like, man, Flute, you been looking real rough. It's because I ain't want to get my hair done twice in 1 month because I think that's going to thin me out. You feel me? I'm kind of, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, though. Whatever, though. But make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I'll holler at y'all in a second, fam. Love. Ready to get on the boat? So we underway, y'all. We finna get ready to do what it do. Y'all see what's going on. My boy Danny Might got on that Fly Band Addicts gear. Make sure y'all go cop the merch, man. Yeah, baby, put me on everything. I'll holler at y'all. It's a family thing. Yeah, I gotta look at. We play pool or some shit. But yeah, nah, we back at it, y'all. Kid done one up, y'all. And she said it's long. I ain't gonna look at it just like that because I'm scared. You know what I'm saying? Crack. What is looking like to you, shawty? Look, she gonna ignore me. What's up, Danny? Me? Yeah, cause she wanna be a hater.
I'm gonna do the other side.
You talking about do the other side. Danny, what it look like, brody?
Yeah, it's like right here.
Long to me.
Oh man, my boy, he the one who hyped me up.
On his back.
She wanna learn how to do hair so bad.
I do know how to do it.
Alright, y'all, I'm holler at y'all.
What's wrong,
we back, y'all. What's going down? She said she trying something new. You dig? That's the little mom. I'll holler at y'all. Right, fam, we back. I'm whipped up already. You dig? We got a hater in the room. She wanna fade away. You know how girlfriends be, bro. When you get whipped up, they be your main hater. Wanna be seeing you first, but wanna hate. But it's okay because I know I'm handsome anyway, and I'm just waiting on my boy Danny Might. He finna give me a ride, and then I'll be back with y'all in a second, man. Peace. All right, we back, y'all. My boy in mode now. We getting it on. This is the cut of a lifetime. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. My boy do what he does. Like I always say, man, if y'all ever want to check out any of his cuts or anything, the link will be in the description. Go holler at his channel and go subscribe. And make sure y'all contact my boy if y'all want to look just as handsome as I do. You dig? So I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second, fam. Love, see? Man, it been a while. Wow, but I'm back, man. I feel great. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at my hair. Look at how long it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me know something. Like, be for real, right? You know what I'm saying? Look at the man. You know what I'm saying? God damn, you know? Gotta get him right, man. That dude, god damn, he got me feeling good. So with that being said, hey girlfriend, come look at me. Come look at me.
Let me certify.
Is it certified? Do I look handsome? You got a new boyfriend? Ooh.
Let me get a video.
It's girlfriend approved, y'all. So hey, look, I'm trying to tell y'all, look. I'm telling y'all, look. When y'all come to Danny Mike Get It Right, this is how you're gonna feel every time. You know what I'm saying? Like $1 million fucking dollars. Look at me, man. Look at me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna holler at y'all, fam. Love people. Like I said, make sure y'all come fuck with my boy. You know what I'm saying? You know what he do, man. He get that shit right, man. Him, Kenya. Another one, like DJ Khaled said. Yeah, I'm ready to show the fuck out, kid. I'm ready now. So yeah, man, I'm looking good. I'm feeling good, man. We the best. Who? We, nigga. We the best. Yeah, they the best. No cap. Like I said, man, if y'all ain't fucking around with the Get It Right crew, I don't know what you're gonna do. Cause boy, I'm feeling good, man. So like I said, I'll holler at y'all in a second, fam. Love. Peace.